Today, Jake's getting a little more independence. For the very first time, he's home alone.
Hey Jake, come here for a minute.
Yeah, Dad?
I have to make a run to the store, so I'm leaving you here by yourself for a little while. Can you handle it?
Yeah, sure.
Rule number 1. Ensure your emergency contacts are updated and stored in a location where you can easily access them.
I wrote all of the numbers down here that you're going to need. Here's my number, Grandma's, and 911 just in case if it's a real emergency.
Rule number 2 when you're home alone, keep your phone close, not across the room, and definitely not under the couch.
Hey, and remember, don't open it for anyone. Got it?
Copy, Dad.
Okay, I'll see you later.
All right. Well, looks like I'm home alone, guys. Make sure to follow along.
When you're home alone, stay in the common areas, the living room, kitchen, not wandering all over the house like it's hide and seek. Keep things simple. Stay alert.
Well, guys, looks like I'm home alone. I mean, my dad left, so I'm just gonna go and play some video games. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ah, yeah, Minecraft, my favorite game. Oh, let's get some diamonds. Oh, look, a dog. Was that the door? Hold on. Stay right here, Bo. What in the diamond heck is going on? Who could be at the door? Please, I just hope it's a pizza guy or a delivery person.
Oh my God!
But just as Jake settles in, guess who shows up again? It's that pesky creeper.
Oh man.
Hey Jake, I know you're in there. Hey Jake, it's me, your grandmother. Open the door, I got cookies for you.
No, not interested, sorry.
Go away, creeper.
I said no. Oh my God. You know what?
Jake, you don't have to be
Are you home?
Creeper's persistent, but Jake's prepared. He doesn't answer weird calls, and he never says he's home alone.
Of course you would hang up. Just can't.
Jake sticks to the plan. Door stays closed. Phone stays nearby. And Creeper? Still not getting in. So, what should you do when you're home alone? Let's review.
Hey Jake, what's up?
Hey Dad.
So how'd everything go? Like everything good?
Mm-hmm. Everything went just fine. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more future videos.
Get him! Every time I try to hit someone, my plan fails.